Hello there, welcome to today's video. If you are new here, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky. So by the title, you all came here to watch this video. I'm literally very confused, but I want to color my hair because like my hair color has washed out. I have applied the color a few months ago, I think last year. So since that time I haven't applied the color, and the hair color removing process I did here on my channel, I think a week ago. Literally it did remove a little bit of the hair color. You can see my hair is kind of reddish brown. I like this color okay at the moment. So I washed my hair yesterday. So if you haven't watched that video, do watch it first, like you will have an idea of what I'm saying. So I bought the ingredients, then I made the mixture, and then like I applied. So this is the color I have applied last time. Yeah, darkest brown. I always keep this as a spare color. So I haven't applied anything to my roots as you can see, and I have got few grays here I think, but anyways, today I thought of applying this color, Ultra Ash Light Blonde 8.11, and this is by L'Oreal. So look at my color and look at this color, like literally I don't know, it won't turn out like this. At the back it shows how your color will turn out after, so it's quite good. Like, oh my gosh, my hair color is somewhere around this color I think, and after it will look like this. And some places my hair is light I think, so literally I think I'll go for this one. And I also have another one. If you want to light your hair, I think you should definitely apply the lightest shade, and ash browns are really good if you have dark hair. Like I have researched about it a lot, and that's why I bought this color. I'm not an expert anyway. So I also have this color with me, 6.1 light ash brown. So I like ash colors nowadays. So this color will turn out somewhat like this. So I think before, after. Okay, so if I apply this one, the after color, then I apply this one. No, I don't know. So let's quickly see what this Ultra Ash Light Blonde contains, and I do have the spare one in case this one ruins my hair. I have the dark one, and literally I'm not going to the salon because I'm making videos here and want you all to see how it's done. And my hair color is like reddish brown I think. No, it's brown, like I don't know, the window is here, so it's because of the lighting. I think it's early morning now. This color will look like this if you have like light color here. So let's see what this packet contains. It contains this, and it will show you all. Actually I will see this first. Do you have to apply on like damp hair or dry hair? So regular color, option 2 if you color your hair for the first time. Okay. To dry unwashed hair. So yeah, it shows how to do it if you are applying for the first time, or if you have been coloring your hair. So it contains all these things. So this is the natural hair. If I style, so it gets a bit more longer, and I did cut my hair I think a week ago. So this way you can keep your hair healthy. Okay, let's move on. It comes with the developer and also this purple mask. I have this in my cupboard. I got like literally lots of products. Excellence cool cream, coloring cream, some A1A, sorry. What is this? Purple shampoo. Ooh, cute. Comes with this applicator and some gloves. I'll mix, I'll apply to all my hair today, and yeah, and I literally know that this color will be lighter than this part, but let's see, fingers crossed. I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I have colored my hair and it says you can keep it for 30 minutes. So I have applied to all my hair, but I was only going to do halfway down. Then I thought, no, I should do whole because like I want a bit light hair color. That's why I'm doing this. So ash colors are really good. I have like researched about ash colors, like ash blonde, ash brown is really good. So I hope my hair will turn out somewhat like this color. I think this color or this color some places, like I know my roots will turn out much lighter than my bottom part, but my roots was darker than my bottom, like it was a bit light as you saw. So I will keep it for 1 hour. It's recommended you keep it for 30 minutes, but like I'm keeping it for 1 hour just in case, because I don't want to, I don't know what is next. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! Oh, ha, ha. It's ugly. I literally like this part. As you can see, it's a bit brown and I love it. Like it is so pretty. The only thing I don't like is like this part. OMG, look, this is the actual color. And it is like, I think like the first one or second one. I think it's like this color. So this is what happens when you apply light color on your roots when you have dark hair. So I will fix this, but without applying any color. I will fix it because I don't want to apply any dark color on my roots. Okay, so I'm ready. I just did a simple makeup and I thought of sharing this product with you all. You can see this part is a bit light, so I have got this product with me by Carol, and okay, this one is this shade. Okay, this is the darkest brown, I think. So I thought of like putting it up here. So it also comes with a brush. So let's do it. I've been using this product since long to just cover up a little bit of my grays, which is just coming up. Okay, like I'm 41 years old, so I just started to like get a little bit of gray hair. So yeah, let's see if it does anything. I think it does. Oh, I have been using the black eyeshadow, so I don't know. I think it doesn't do much. Oh, I think it does. So I think it won't look exactly like this, and I think this is the darkest color they have. I literally like this color, and it's literally so beautiful. Doesn't matter, it went on my roots, and I can fix it like this. It is really pretty. Okay, I just love it. I'm liking it. It's beautiful. I did style my hair with this styler by Bondi Boost, and literally this is amazing. I think I shared it on my channel, and literally you all like my makeup. I think it's pretty, and I just love my hair now, and I'm going to go outside and see how it looks in the natural lighting, and I love it. It's like not too dark the way it was, so it's not exactly like this. This is really light. Okay, so mine is somewhere around, so you can see somewhere around, I think this two color, because mine was really dark, as you saw. If you want to do it, you can try this ultra ish light blonde. Note this name, because like when we color our hair, we search for certain colors here on YouTube, and like literally I never get the ones I want. So this is why I'm sharing here with you all, so you can all like try and see it for yourself. And there is lots of salons available there, so if you want, you can go. And let's go outside and see like how it looks in natural lighting. But like it looks really pretty. I think it's a bit light than before, but it's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm outside. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but this is the color. I think it looks nice, as you can see. Let me see. I don't know, but I think it looks nice. It really looks really pretty though. Let's go near my car. And then let's see. It looks beautiful. Okay, I think you can see it. Looks really pretty. I love this part. Okay, just came in and you can see it here. Like literally I like the color. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, like I am in love with this color and the way it has turned out. And yeah, it looks really pretty.